I'm here making a video because I want to show you guys this new product that I found. This is MadeGood Mixed Berry Granola Minis. Okay, I found these. I seen them. Actually, the reason I found these is that I've had other MadeGood products, as they make different types of like granola bars and like cereal granola and stuff like that. So I was seeing these, and I wanted to give them a try. Yeah, so these are mixed berry granola minis. They're school safe from peanuts and tree nuts. They're organic, and they have vegetables in them, which is, you know, really cool. So, like I said, MadeGood makes a lot of other products. They make different types of granola bars. They make different types of granola minis. Like I've seen, there's two types of these. There's the mixed berry one, and there's the this chocolate chip. So yeah, they're awesome. So these are also gluten-free, which is really cool if you guys have any like celiac disease or you're allergic to gluten. So it's really, anyone can have them. So if you look on the back, in a serving of these, which is one packet, they have 90 calories, 3 grams of fat, 16 carbs with 2 fiber, only 6 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of protein, which is awesome. So you get some of your fiber in, and they're a really, really good snack, and not too high in calories, but they can give you a great energy boost for any type of like workout, if you're at school or anything like that. So yeah, these taste. I love the taste of these. I really like the chocolate chip ones too. Those are probably my favorite, but these are also really nice. So they're made of granola, and inside of them they have different types of berries in the granola mix. So here, I'll open this up so you guys can get a better look at it. So open it up, and I'll pour it in here. So that's what you get. It's not too much, but it's great for your on the go. As you can see, it's a small bag, so you can really carry this anywhere. You can throw it around, throw it in a backpack, throw it in your pocket, whatever you need if you need a quick snack on the go. So if you look at these, they have little berries inside, and we'll get to what kind of berries are inside after. So like that, and there's a bunch of different berries inside. It's like sticky, so it's almost like reminds me of like a Rice Krispie, of like the way like it sticks together. So it's really like nice, and then you take it apart, and if you wanted to, usually you just eat them just like this in like the little circle. They smell really, really sweet, and the taste is very, very sweet too. And the good thing is, it's not there's like not very much added sugar though, so all the sweetness you're getting is from natural sugars from fruits, which is really, really good, and really good for your health. So these are definitely a very nutritious choice if you're wanting to go that route. So let's get to the ingredients. So ingredients in these, as I could get it. Okay, the ingredients in these are pure gluten-free oats, that's what it says, sunflower oil, cane sugar, and it said brown nectar, currants, apples, brown rice, inulin, raspberries, apple juice, goji berries, it's apple juice concentrate, another raspberry, tapioca, vegetable extracts like spinach, broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, beets, and mushrooms, blueberry syrup, and yeah, so that's awesome. It's not a very, very big ingredient list. There's no words that you can't pronounce, which is always a good sign. Definitely a good product. I'd also like to add too that they're also non-GMO. and they're certified Canadian organic. So these are definitely a great healthy pick if you want something quick on the go. Another thing I want to show is the vitamins. So there's 20% of your vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, 1/4% of your thiamine, and 20% of vitamin B6. So you're already knocking out some of your vitamins in here. I also wanted to add these. I also wanted to talk about how like the durability of this product too, for if you're like bringing it on the go. So as you can see, you can drop it around. They kind of stay together. They don't break apart that easily unless you have to use like a lot of force. And even like that, see, it still stay together. So you don't have to worry about it going in your backpack and like breaking up very much. You know, getting a mess all over your bag, and it's just easy to be able to bring around a nutritious snack instead of having to, you know, stop for fast food or other things like that. So, I want to talk about this was made in Ontario. Yeah, so it was made in Ontario, and that's where their warehouse is too, the MadeGood food company warehouse. So that's where they make it. They make it all in a warehouse, and yeah, it's pretty cool that you know, they make it in the same factories it's sending out. So they, you know, like what you're getting is coming right from this company. Like I said, if you don't want it to be like this in little clusters, you can get like the same things in bar form if you'd rather that and find that easier. So then you don't have any clusters at all. It's just like a granola bar. Those are also very, very good too. So you can definitely give this to someone as a gift if you know anyone that's really on like a health kick, or if they're organic or they have celiac disease. You can get these in big boxes of like 20 or more, and you can get them in a variety pack too, so you can really try out like whatever you need. And it's really, yeah, it's for anyone, all ages really. It's great. So I definitely recommend this product. They're very, very tasty, and I really hope that this video was informative and you learned a little more about this product. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.